Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the pin on a Huawei Fit watch. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe down from the top of the home screen to open the quick panel. Then tap on the settings cog to open the settings menu. Find and tap on pin. Tap Change Pin. You then need to enter your watch's current pin. Now enter your new pin. Enter the new pin again. Your watch's pin has now been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei tips and tricks.